1 year ago today, I was at Mount Everest Base Camp in Tibet, along with 4 Tibet supporters, and we unfurled a banner that read, "One World, One Dream, Free Tibet 2008. I'll never forget how it felt to sing the Tibetan national anthem on Tibetan soil at the foot of the tallest mountain on earth. I couldn't predict back then, and nobody could have predicted what was going to happen in a year's time. In the past 6 weeks, Tibetans across Tibet have risen up and challenged one of the most powerful military dictatorships on earth. Tibetans have literally taken history into their own hands and changed it in front of our eyes. In response, the Chinese government is killing, imprisoning, and torturing thousands and thousands of Tibetans. And we've been hearing that in some areas of Tibet, almost every household has a family member that's either been detained or missing or killed. So right now, we have the responsibility to amplify the voices of the Tibetans inside who are risking everything. And we need to work harder than ever to send a clear message that until the occupation of Tibet ends, China will never be accepted by the rest of the world. A year ago when I stood at Everest Base Camp, I felt a sense of possibility that I never knew existed before. And right now we are seeing things in Tibet and China that nobody could have predicted or even imagined. So this is our chance to make history. And we need your help. We need your skills. We need your time. We need your financial support. And if there was ever a time to help SFT support Tibet and work for Tibetan freedom, it's now.